This video is all about installing and setting up the Android Studio. So let's move forward. First of all, open Google and search Android Studio. After that, you have to open this link developer.android.com. So once you will open this link, a website will open which will look something like this. In this, you can see there is an option download Android Studio. Just click on this. After that, a dialog box will appear something like this. You have to click here, I agree, and then download it. So I have downloaded it beforehand. So let's move to the installation part. Okay. So once you have downloaded it, just right click on it and select run as administrator. So it takes some time to load. Now you just follow these steps. Click on next, next, next. You can uncheck this checkbox if you do not want the Android Virtual Studio, but I want it, so I'll not uncheck this. Now click on next, next, next. So once this is completed, just click on next and then finish. After that, this dialog box will appear. So if you have some configuration of this Android Studio, you can import it. Otherwise, you can select do not import settings and click on OK. So now this dialog box will appear and it will ask you that you want to send usage statistics to Google. So I'll select here do not send. So now this will open something like this. Click on next. This asks you if you want the dark background or you want the white background. So I'll select dark background here. After that, there is a dialog box which tells you if you want to update the Kotlin plugin, you can update. So if you want to skip, you can click the cross button. So once you are done with that updation, it will ask you to restart the Android Studio app. So I have restarted it. Now again, click on next. Here you can select custom if you are some experienced developer, but the standard one is for newbies. So let's click on next. The dark frame, next. After that, these all are the packages which will be installed. After that, you can click finish. So it will take some time to install. So once everything is downloaded, you can click the finish button here. So now everything is done. Your Android Studio is installed. You can select new project from here. And here just select empty activity and click on next. So this is the application, this is the name of your project. You can change the name, like you can put any name. First application. So this is the package name. You can also change this if you want. And this is the storage location. From here you can change the language from Java to Kotlin. So I will select Kotlin here. And this is the Android version on which you want your app to run. By default it is Android 5.0, so I'll let it remain default. And after that you can click on finish. So when you open this first time, it takes some time to load. As you can see here, it's still loading. You can see the Gradle is getting downloaded here below. So once all the loading and downloading part is done, your Android Studio will look something like this. You will get two options here. One is the main activity. In this part you write your logic, and this is the activity main.xlm. So in this part you get to see what you have done. You get to visualize here. So right now we are having no device, so we will select here and we will go to this AVD manager. After that we will select create virtual device. Now you can select any device of your choice, so I'll be selecting Pixel 5 here. After that click on next, and here you can download any one of this. So I'll be downloading the Pi. Accept, next. So once you're done with all this component installer thing, just click on finish. And select this Pi and then click on next. And this is the Pi version. You can change it from here. You can also change this Pixel 5, the device name, and you can select here that you want it in portrait version or landscape version. So I will leave all these settings to default and click on finish. So you are done now. Your virtual component is created. See here, you can see Pixel 5 API.